Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I wrap my hair in 4 different ways to church, and just in case you have a bad hair day. If this tutorial helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. So guys, for my first head wrap tutorial, I'm going to place my scarf on my head, and then I'm just going to take it towards the back and then form a twist at the back. At this point, you have to make sure that your scarf, the both hands are equal. You have to make sure that they are equal and that the scarf at the top of your head is very neat. I'm going to take one of the hands of my scarf and then I'm going to twist it towards the other side of my face. I'm just going to twist it towards the other side of my face. And then I'm also going to take the second hand of my scarf and then just twist it towards the opposite direction. So guys, at this point I'm just going to take the both hands of my scarf that are left and then I'm going to take them towards the back and then knot it. I love this scarf, I love this head wrap tutorial because it's very easy and you can do this in less than 2 minutes and then you're good to go. So I'm just going to hide in my hair a little bit inside my scarf. I'm just going to hide it inside the scarf so that it looks very neat. This head wrap is very simple and I love it because you can do this in less than 2 minutes and then you're good to go. So guys, for my second tutorial on head wraps, I'm going to place my scarf from the back and then to the front of my head, and then I'm just going to knot it in front. This one also is very simple and you can do this, like I said, in the other one in less than 2 minutes. So the both hands of your scarf have to be equal. I'm just going to pick one of the hands and then twist it. I'm going to twist it just in front to form a knot, like a donut in front. And then after doing that, I'm going to take the second hand of the scarf and then do it the same way I did with the first one. You have to make sure that your scarf is very neat. Anything you're doing, you just have to make sure that it's very neat. I'm just going to twist the end of the scarf underneath the knot that I created. At this point, I'm just arranging it to make sure that it's neat. Everything I've done is neat and I'm good to go. I'm going to tuck my hair inside my scarf a little bit so that it comes out very neat. Like I said guys, very simple, easy peasy. So guys, I'm on to my third head wrap tutorial. I'm going to take my scarf and then place it on top my head. While placing, you have to make sure that the front is very neat as possible. You just have to make sure that it's very neat, because it's also the beauty of the scarf. And then I'm going to take it to the back and then knot it. I'm knotting it so that it stays very firm on my head. Like I said, the both hands have to be equal in the other tutorials, in the other head wraps. So I'm just going to twist one hand of the scarf. I'm going to twist it and then form a knot at the back of my head. So I'm going to take that end right now and I'm going to tuck it underneath the scarf itself. I'm going to tuck it somewhere underneath the scarf. You have to be careful here and tuck it properly so that it doesn't come out at any point at all. At this point also, I'm going to twist the other hand of my scarf. I'm going to twist it and then take it in an opposite direction. I'm just going to knot it the same way I did with the first one, and then take the end of the scarf and then tuck it in underneath the scarf itself. This also is very simple, and you can also do this in less than 2 minutes. I hope you guys do love this one. Okay guys, this is my fourth and last head wrap tutorial. I'm just going to pick up my scarf, place it at the back of my head and take it towards the front and then knot it. I am so sorry guys. At this point I really didn't discover that my flash was off, so that's why you can see a drop in the quality of the video, but I do hope that you guys understand. After knotting it, I'm going to twist one hand of the scarf and then take it towards the side of my face and my head and then pin it. Here you require pin. And then I'm also going to twist the second hand and then form a knot in front on top of the other hand that I did. And lastly, I'm going to take the end of the scarf and then place it underneath the first hand that I did, and also tuck it into my scarf itself so that it looks very neat. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, and if you love any of those head wrap tutorials that I have done, please don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. Please like this video because it's really going to help me and it's going to go a long way. So far, this is one of my favorite head wrap tutorials, the fourth one that I did, and I do hope that you guys love them all. Also, if you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. Like I said, please like, subscribe and share, and I want to see you all in the comment section. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.